Jai Gurudev children, today we are going to take up another topic, that is notice writing. Children, notice writing is a formal way of communication. It is written by someone who is designated at some place in some organization. Here are some guidelines which to be kept in mind while writing a notice. First of all, be precise. What means precise? We have to be to the point. There is no use of putting irrelevant stuff in the notice. If we do so, that will not be a good notice writing. So we have to be precise. We have to put relevant and useful material only. Other irrelevant details should be avoided. Next is, it is a formal way of communication, as I already told you. This type of communication is practiced in some organization only. Next is, keep the sentences short and use simple words. Avoid long sentences and complicated words. Always keep the sentences short and use simple vocabulary. Next is, use passive form. Passive voice you have done. So we have to prefer passive voice as compared to the active ones. Next is, present your notice in a proper format. I will be telling you the format of notice writing. What is a format? What things should be there, like date, heading, name of the organization. According to the format, notice should be written and it is kept always in a box. Now children, here is a format. First of all, we have name of the organization. You will write name of your school with name of the city. Then comes the word notice. Then date, present date. Then comes your heading. Children, heading should be attractive to attention of people. Next comes your content. As I told you previously, it should be very precise, formal. Very simple words should be used. No irrelevant stuff should be there. Next comes your signature, the name, designation. I repeat, first of all, name of the organization. As you are a student of the Maharishi Vidya Mandir, you will be writing the name of your school with name of the city. Then the word notice, date, heading. It should be again catchy. Content, signature, name and designation. Now here is one example. Imagine you are Radhika, the monitor of your class. Your class teacher has asked you to tell the students of your class to assemble in room number 27 during recess on 17th November. Write a notice informing the students. You first of all understand this. Suppose you are Radhika. Name is already given in the question, so you will sign as Radhika only below the content. What are you? You are the monitor of your class. Your class teacher has assigned one task you to announce in the class to assemble in room number 27. All the students will assemble in room number 27 during recess on 17th November. So this notice you have to put up in the class. So what will you do? First of all, you will mention the name of the school, name of the organization, Maharishi Vidya Mandir or Kendriya Vidyalaya, whatever the school you belong to. Then name of the city, Jabalpur. Then comes notice, date, heading. Heading must be catchy. It should invite the attention of the students. Next comes your content. All students, it should be very concise, very relevant. All students must assemble in room number 27 during recess on 14th November. So this much you have to put up. Then your signature, your name and your designation, monitor. And don't forget to put your notice in the box. I hope it is clear.